You may have noticed that each of the views within Standard Time has the ability to customize or arrange the columns that you see listed here. So we're looking at the Project Tasks view. You see certain columns. I click over on the time log and there are different columns, and again on the expenses you see completely different columns there. And when you go to the view menu, choose columns, you are able to choose columns, click add or remove, move up and down, and arrange those columns the way you like them. It also turns out that if you right-click on the column header, you can insert or hide columns and create new arrangements of columns using the Add New Column view. Now these are called subviews. I've created 3 of them here: Costs, Gantt, and the Start Finish Do. So when I choose one of these and click Switch to View, you can see that all the columns change. This is a quick way for me to arrange the columns the way I like them and then quickly switch to a different view. So these views can contain completely different columns that are suitable for certain purposes, and when you want a different purpose, you can simply switch over to another view, or subview as they're called. Now, same thing holds true as we switch over to other views like the time log. If I right click on a column header, you'll notice I've created a couple here, and I can choose one and you'll notice that the columns change. Go over to expenses, right click on a column, and I've created a completely different set of column arrangements. Simply choose them, switch to view, and all the columns change. This is true of the invoicing, work orders, time off, project tasks. All the different views have the ability to right click on these columns and create new column arrangements by choosing Add New Column. Now once you've done that, of course, you can go to the View menu, choose Columns, as we saw before, arrange them the way you like, and then that subview will contain those columns. And that is how I got these subviews the way I like them. I selected one, I went to the View menu, chose Columns, and I simply added a new column and arranged it by moving up or down. Click Close, there's the new column. Now if I switch to a different subview and then back to the original that I just changed, you'll see that that column is still there. So you're able to arrange the columns the way you like, save them as subviews, and then quickly switch from view to accomplish your purposes. Hope you like it.